Well, welcome to your maths lesson. We're going to get started with your starter just to warm your brains up. So I'm going to run through all the questions and then you can press pause. So if 5 plus 4 equals 9, then 4 plus 5 equals, okay, 3 plus 4 and 2 plus 5 are bonds to, and how do you spell the number 7? Okay, press pause and have a go. Okay, so if 5 and 4 equals 9, then 4 and 5 equals 9. 3 plus 4 and 2 and 5 are number bonds to 7. And you spell the number 7 like this, S-E-V-E-N. Okay, so today we're going to use related facts. Okay, so we're going to explore different additions and subtractions, and we are going to look at addition and subtraction being the inverse operations. Okay, and we're going to remember that addition is commutative, which is why 5 plus 4 is the same as 4 plus 5. Okay, so we're going to remember that they are commutative and that subtraction is not commutative, but you can use the same numbers, but that makes them a related fact. Okay, so we're going to look at that today. So first thing that I want you to do is press pause, have a look at my whole part model. I've got 9, 6 and 15. You can see it on my tens frame as well. And I want you to see if you can think of any addition and subtraction number sentences for this pictorial representation. Off you go. Okay, so here are your answers for your addition. So you've got 9 plus 6 equals 15. 6 plus 9 equals 15. And then, so you switch those numbers around. Then you've got your answer at the beginning. 15 equals 9 plus 6. 15 equals 6 plus 9. So commutative facts, because they're all, you can change them, and the answer is always 15. Okay, your subtraction here, they are not commutative, okay, but you can use all of the answers, all of the numbers to get different answers. So 15 minus 9 equals 6. 15 minus 6 equals 9. 9 equals 15 minus 6, and 6 equals 15 minus 9. So every little number sentence, I've used all three numbers. Check if you managed to do that. So here is your tens frame. So we're going to see how many we have. So we've got, I know that's 5, 5, 6. So I've got 6 red, and I've got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 blue counters. Okay, and in total, I've got 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so I want you to press pause now and write down all of the related facts, both addition and subtraction. So our adding and our take away number sentences for these numbers. Press pause, off you go. Okay, so I've had a go and I've written some answers. So I've done my addition, so my adding in green. 6 plus 7 equals 13. 7 plus 6 equals 13. 13 equals 7 plus 6. 13 equals 6 plus 7. Then I've done my subtraction here in purple. 13 minus 7 equals 6. 13 minus 6 equals 13. 13 minus 6 equals 7. 6 equals 13 minus 7. And 7 equals 13 minus 6. Okay, so we've used our tens frame and our whole part model. We're now going to use something else, and I wonder if you can remember what this is called. Have a think. Okay, it is called a bar model, and we're going to use a bar model. So here is your opportunity to press pause and to see if you can think of any related facts for these numbers. So you've got 15, oh sorry, you haven't got 15, you've got 14 as the whole, 8 as part, and 6 as the other part. So you can press pause now if you'd like to try and work some of these out. Okay. I think I'm just going to do a few, maybe 2 of each this time. So I've done 8 plus 6 equals 14. So 8 plus 6 equals 14. 6 plus 8 equals 14. Then I've done some subtractions. I've only done 2 of each this time. 14 take away 8 equals 6. 14 take away 6 equals 8. Okay, so remember, every number sentence, I have used each letter, each number, sorry. Okay, let's have another go at this one. Okay, you've got 18, 10, and 8. Can you create your number sentences for this one? Press pause and have a go. Okay, let's go through the answers. We'll do this one together. So I've got 10 plus equals 18. Or I could have, what would be the opposite way of doing that? What could I do? That's right, I could do 8 plus 10 equals 18. Okay, you could have the answer at the beginning if you would like. If you manage to do that, that's fantastic. If not, don't worry. Right, let's look at some subtraction. So I'm going to go 18 minus 8 equals 10. 18 minus 10 equals 8. I've managed to use all of the numbers in each sentence. Okay, right. Now this slide might look a bit confusing, but here are the 3 different ways I want you to do it. Well, 4. I want you to do some subtractions. I want you to do some additions. I want you to use a whole part model, and I want you to use your bar model. Okay, so you can draw them. Okay, so you have 4 numbers that I want you to use, okay, in each of these models or in your number sentences. So you've got 5, 5, 5, and 10. So for this example, I would write 10 as my whole, okay, like this, and I would have 5 and 5, and I would also put it into my bar model here, 10 and 5 and 5. Then I want you to write the number sentences. So you would have 5 plus 5 equals 10. And well, you can't switch that one around really, so you, because it would be exactly the same even if you switch them because they're the same. So I'd maybe put my answer at the beginning. 10 equals 5 plus 5. Then you would do your subtractions. Let's see if I can move this one. This is my example one that we've done. Okay, and then I would do my subtractions underneath. So 10 minus 5 equals 5. Okay, and then around and they will be the same too. Okay, so that's what you're going to do. Press pause if you think you need to remember that. If not, I'm now going to delete those examples for you, to use them and create your own whole part models, subtraction and addition number sentences. Okay, so press pause and have a go. And these dots mean there's a gap, and that's a different number. So you've got 5, 5, 10, 18, 6, 12, 17, 9, 8, 20, 14, and 6. I didn't want to put a symbol in there because it might look like a number sentence and confuse you. So this is the stuff that we would like, the work that we would like you to send in via email. Okay, so we're not going to go through the answers, but try and put them into all the models on your sheet. If you only get 2 done, but you do lots and lots of work for each of them, that's fine. Okay, let's do the fluency. Now it says here, circle the addition and subtraction number sentences that match the tens frame. So look at the tens frame here, count the red, count the yellow, and circle the correct ones. Okay, so now you've done that, I counted 15 red counters, 3 yellow counters, 18 in total. Okay, and these, if I did it as a whole part, what it would look like that, wouldn't it? And the numbers that you should have circled are here. So you should have circled 15 plus 8 plus 3 equals 18. You should have circled, not that one, 18 minus 15 equals 3. You should have also circled 18 minus 3 equals 15. And finally, 18 equals 3 plus 6. So well done if you managed to do all of today's math. I hope you have enjoyed it and you found it really useful and clear to see all the different ways that we can represent those numbers. Okay, so see you soon.